My name's Ian Happ. I'm a professional baseball player and I play center field in Chicago. Walking out on the field for me, the history of that ballpark, wearing the uniform and being a part of it is really special. Every day when you come to work, you put your costume on because you're going to do superhero things that day. When I was 22, 23, I noticed my hair was thinning. I never wore my hat in the dugout, so I'd always see pictures if I hit a home run or if I did something, and it looked like an absolute disaster. Just being a Chicago athlete, seeing Brian Urlacher on the billboards, meeting Brian, obviously knowing Ryne Sandberg pretty well, he reassured me that it was a great decision for him. If I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna go the right way. I'm gonna go to Restore it, I'm gonna get it done. I'm not gonna mess around with anything else. The new hair, the new style has just given me freedom. It's given me the ability to not worry about it, to hit a home run, take my hat off, and high five my teammates. I'm excited for that now. Look good, feel good, play good. It's a game changer.